Welcome to my little creative corner of the internet, or welcome back to all my fellow creative souls. Today is day 1 of Junk Journal July, so let's start with our monthly junk journaling project for this July. The challenge is hosted by the lovely Meg Journals here on YouTube. I will leave a link to her channel in the description down below. So check out her videos. If you haven't seen me create my journal for this challenge, I did set this one up in the last video that I posted on Saturday, so maybe check this out after today's first prompt if you want to see me create this junk journal for the Junk Journal July challenge. I got a mixture of envelopes, tuck spots, and just some different papers. The ephemera that I flipped through here in the beginning is also something that Get Messy and Meg Journals put together for the challenge, and it's a nice start for everyone to have some cute things to include into the art journal and junk journal pages throughout the month. First, I decided to start by including the prompt list for this year's Junk Journal July, and I wanted to add something to the cover here to make kind of label the whole journal that it is my Junk Journal July 2024 journal. So here I'm creating a little label to add to the front, and I try to decide where to put it. I hope you are all having fun with your first day of Junk Journal July. Are you taking part in the challenge, or have you ever taken part in the Junk Journal July or the January Junk Journal Challenge? Let me know in the comments down below. I would love to hear from you. Today's prompt is sparkle, and we will get into that as soon as I finished here the little title page. So now let's dive into sparkles for the day. I just thought the washi tape with the suns would be quite fitting, and I'm adding a bunch of more sparkles besides the prompt list here. I really like to incorporate the drawings from the illustration from the book page that I had here, and you will see me add something later on in the drawing to incorporate it even more. For the first idea for the prompt of sparkle, I had the idea for sparkles in some eyes if you see something you really like or something, so that's what I was going here for. It's just something that comes quite easy to me, so I thought drawing some eyes with sparkles in them would be perfect for the prompt of the day. I'm just trying to go with the flow for this challenge and just create whatever comes to mind first, or whatever collage material I have in my stack laying around to add to the journal page, and really to just create something, whatever. Here I found some kind of sparkling shiny material that I had, some adhesive foil that I had lying around from a different project, and I wanted to add some more of these rainbow kind of pink sparkle to give the page some more dimensions. And like I said before, I was using that material I want to use this challenge to let loose a bit and just create something, not having the complete outcome in mind before I start the process, and just go with the flow. Add something, collage something, just whatever comes to mind when I read the prompt for the day. And I hope you will tag along. Maybe you will use the daily little videos of mine to just give yourself some creative time each day of July as well, and create alongside with me. Even if you maybe not follow the prompt, just take that time while watching the video and create something, or just enjoy watching me create. Maybe that's all you need to relax as you like it. I would love to if you join me on this creative challenge. So let me know in the comments down below if you are taking part in this year's Junk Journal July. For now, that's all I did for the first day of Junk Journal July for 2024. And here's to many more interesting and fun pages and creative adventures. So, see you tomorrow. If you enjoyed today's video, hit the thumbs up button and leave a comment down below. I would absolutely love to hear from you. And if you want to not miss out on any further Junk Journal July challenges or other creative adventures, hit the subscribe button down below. See you tomorrow.